All these cops are waiting for us. Oh shit. Huh?
Nah, you can't come in here.
We're not allowed?
Is this private property?
Fuck with you guys. You walk right through.
Can we
through a whole bunch
Can
of
we explore a little bit? Can we explore a little bit?
No.
Yo, we're going to PA, break into someone's fucking yard, get shot probably. Awesome. Give me that.
Run away. Look at that.
So we might get shot, but fuck it. You know what I mean, bro? We in PA right now.
I wish my fucking camera worked.
Fuck that sign, brother. Yo, Shag, yo, streak this shit butt naked right now.
You wanna?
Yo.
Oh, the people yelling at us.
They yelling at us?
Yeah, fuck that.
What did they say?
I don't know.
Fucking assholes.
That guy was smiling, bro. He had a hot ass girl with him.
That's why he was probably smiling.
Nah,
yo.
he was looking at me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He likes you, bro.
Nah, he's like, you fuckers know it. They're about to get shot.
They're about to get blasted. They got fucking shotguns out here, bro. Yo, we're at that 126 right now. Zero service. Let's fucking get it, bro.
That's creepy, bro.
Alright. Be careful, though.
Let's go inside.
I'm wearing flip-flops, bro.
Just watch the glass, yeah.
Yo, come
I'm
in.
wearing flip-flops.
I'll hold it. So this is the point of the scary movie where we start dying.
I thought that was it for me, honestly.
Yo, some zombie shit, yo, pull up. There's a basement. We can go under this shit. Yo, move over.
What's in there, bro?
Stairs, bro. Damn, bro. I should have brought a higher memory card. Alright, let's go. Oh, that shit ain't good shit.
Yo, this is fire.
Yo! Hey! Yeah. You wanna have me? Fuck me?
Yeah, dude.
You wanna fuck me? Oh, that's not going down, bro. There's a pole there.
For Jada Smith. Jada Smith. Karate Kid, motherfucker. Everybody was coming goodbye.
This is the last footage they find when we get murdered.
How about some tea? Imagine some shit popped up. Shit. Oh shit!
Why'd you get so scared, bro?
Holy shit, because all I seen was something moving, bro.
Bro, that's it.
I'm wearing flip-flops.
Something moving.
Yo, you scared the shit out of me, bro. Yo, you got that video? Yeah, bro. Oh shit. Everybody pull back up.
Yo, they're yelling for us. Yeah, they're yelling.
Go?
Nah, he's good. They know this wood better than us. I don't know.
Yeah. Hello?
I'm eating for right here.
Huh?
Nah, you can't come in here.
We're not allowed?
Is this private property?
What happened to the waterfall? They're closed.
Huh?
They're closed down.
Oh shit. The whole waterfall?
And I mean, come on, you're asking me this is private property? You just walk past a whole freaking line of signs there to say it's private property.
Oh yeah, we understand on that side of the golf course.
What's that?
Yeah, we understand on that side it's the golf course. Is this a park? Oh.
Oh, we thought that
We
the
apologize.
waterfall was you know.
Falls are shut down.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Township shut them down.
You know anywhere else we could go swimming around here?
Delaware.
Hot as shit.
Delaware.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, you work
I
at the
mean,
golf
fuck
course?
with you guys, but I mean, you know, I see you walk over. So
Nah, I mean,
yeah, I mean,
if this
honestly,
is your
come on.
property,
You walk right through.
can we
through
explore,
a whole bunch of.
can we explore
no
a little
tres-
bit? Can we
Huh?
explore a little bit?
No.
No.
Oh, you work at the golf course?
40 years.
40 years, damn.
Thank you for telling us.
You
I
know.
appreciate it.
Well, and that's another real. I mean, they don't have them there today, but the township's been hiring security.
Security for the waterfall?
Throw the freaking people out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not like a park or anything?
Let's be honest about it. Now, come on, you know, you walk. There's all these yellow no trespassing signs.
Yeah, we just assume it was for
you
the golf
walk
course.
right through.
It was on that side.
It doesn't matter. You walk through a whole bunch of no trespassing.
Yeah, you're right.
You know.
Yeah.
So basically, you
how
saw.
far from here is the waterfall?
Basically, you saw them and said, "Well, fuck that. I'm going in here."
How far? Yeah, we did. How far from here is the waterfall?
It's up the creek, maybe about half a mile from here.
Half a mile. Oh shit.
But they got.
So there's nothing open around here?
I don't know about anywhere else, but all this property up and down the road is private.
Who
Yeah.
owns it? The golf course?
Huh?
The golf course owns it?
Parks.
The
What do you
parks?
mean? The parks?
It's got two owners.
Oh shit, so they own this.
But it doesn't matter. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, no trespassing signs. I mean, it doesn't matter who owns it. You can't just walk through a line.
Well,
you know.
I don't know. I thought when you looked it up and you searched it up, I thought fucking it was public. I don't know.
Now, you want me to tell you what's public and how stupid it is?
Yeah,
The township owns the falls.
yeah.
They own nothing around it. All private. There's no way in or out.
Oh, so you're saying the actual falls themselves are public, but
The
get in there?
township, no, they're even there. The township owns the falls. That doesn't automatically make it public property. Just because the township, you know, township can post property too.
Is there a way to visit it, like officially, with like a guide or something?
No.
Do they offer like tours or anything?
No.
No?
Falls are shut down.
I'll give you $40 to take us to the falls.
Yeah, falls are shut down. Like I said, you know, I
50.
mean, I know I'm fucking with you a little bit. I don't mean to, but I
Nah,
mean, we've been having.
No,
you
we
know,
appreciate it.
tremendous
We
issues
appreciate
in
it.
here.
I know.
The,
I'm not trying to be
and
a-
they have been calling the cops on people.
Yeah.
The cops have been coming in and fucking with people too. Because what it was, now, originally, when the falls, because the township, they just took the falls. Now, I think it had about taxes.
Yeah.
All right, because the falls are there, the taxes for that piece of property that the guy owns up there, or the house up along the road, he owns all that. Because the falls are there, his property taxes were probably astronomical. So the township said, okay, if we take the falls, and then your taxes will go way down because you don't own the falls anymore.
Oh, that makes sense.
But they had no way in or out.
Yeah.
Now we were nice enough, we said, oh, look it, we got an old parking lot. They can park there, walk up along the creek to the falls, hang out, walk back, and leave. But what we also were telling people is, okay, now say if you drove in here and you saw me working, you can, hey, where's the falls? I'd say, okay, there's a parking lot over here. You're going to see a bunch of no trespassing signs. You do not have permission to be on the property. However, nobody's going to fuck with you. Nobody's going to come running after you. We're looking the other way.
Oh, if we park on your golf course?
In other words, well, because you're parking on our property, plus you're walking through all of our property and then other people's properties to get to the falls. And what we did, like I said, we said, yeah, we told the township, look, we'll look the other way. But they don't have permission. In other words, you come in, you do something fucked up, your ass is trespassing. You get hurt, your ass is trespassing because you were never given permission to be there.
So-
We were just like, oh, okay.
So we would have to park there?
Huh?
We'd have to park there?
We need
or-
permission
No,
for you guys?
can't park
Oh,
there.
no, I thought.
That's what I'm saying. They shut it
Yeah,
down.
okay.
What the problem was,
Alright, yo, let's walk to the
No.
car.
you had all these other, all these people coming, especially this year because of all this bullshit,
Is there anything we could do to get in?
No.
Get permission from anybody?
No. Trust me, you ain't getting permission from the owners.
Yeah.
They're real funny about that, and rightly so. I mean, like I said, you three guys may be great, all right, be the nicest people on the earth, but we don't know that. You know,
500.
I'm just saying,
Take me
you
to
know,
the full.
what was happening was, you know, we started letting people, okay, they kept getting growing. All the parking lot up there, people would come back, throw the fucking garbage on the ground.
Oh
They
yeah,
were
we
up
heard
there
about that.
Cleaning their car out, throwing the fucking garbage on the ground. All the falls up there, garbage everywhere. I mean, garbage everywhere.
Yeah, well, I've seen something like that online.
Graffiti
That's horrible.
everywhere. And what broke the back was people were starting campfires up there, all right, which can't do anyway. They're starting campfires, and then when they were ready to leave, they just walk away.
Yeah.
Leave the fire burning.
Yeah. Fuck,
And
we're
that's
just gonna go back to the car.
The guy that lived up there, he finally said no. He called the fire
So one guy kind of owns the area around the falls. Maybe we could talk to him.
if you want, but he ain't gonna let you in there either now. You know,
Ooh.
like I
We'll
said,
spend some money.
you guys may
there's
be
a price
great.
for everything.
You
Yeah.
guys may be great, but like everything else in life, there's certain people ruin it for everybody.
Yeah.
You know, you
Yeah,
can't
you want to
just
talk to him? Let's talk to the
yeah,
guy.
you can't just like look at people and say, well, no, you can't come in here.
Yeah.
Look at the next people. Yeah, okay, you guys look all right. Yeah.
Do you happen to own the owner?
Huh?
Do you happen to know the owner?
Up there?
Yeah, around the falls.
No.
Like who we could talk to? You don't know him?
No. And like I said, he's probably going to be like,
Some old guy?
no.
Some old guy?
Yeah, yeah. Because that's the thing. He was like coming out and
With
yelling
shotguns?
at people too that were like walking
Coming out with a
down
shotgun?
in, you know. See, that's the
They're
thing.
shotguns. They gonna shoot us.
Yeah, wow.
They gonna shoot
He's
us.
an old guy. I don't know.
Is he nice?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
And they've been there forever. Like I said, I've been here forever. But yeah, with all the garbage and stuff, and you know, and to get another reason, like you know, I saw you said, well, what the people are doing, like the mindset of people today. All right, they come in, they see all these no parking signs now where they used to park. No trespassing, you know, all these signs. So they come over onto the other side. We have signs right there at the entrance. No parking, private property, keep out. They drive right through it, go park somewhere, and then they start walking. And then, you know, you're like, no, you can't. Yeah. Well, what do you mean we're just walking to the falls? It doesn't matter. You're trespassing. You know, it's private property. You know, we're not obligated to let people come in here to do stuff. You know, like
And the golf course owns part of that too, you said?
all of that going up through. You know, up to a certain point. You know, past our golf course, we own into the woods a ways, and then it belongs to somewhere. You know, on that side of the creek, it belongs to that guy. On that side of the creek, it belongs
All
to
right,
someone
yo. I
else.
say we go back.
You know.
You want to talk to the guy? Start talking to the guy, yo.
I mean, I don't
Vlogging
fuck
too.
with you, but I don't mean to. But
I don't.
Now
want
we
to-
appreciate it.
well, like I said, though, if you're going up there, and the old guy for you, he'd be pulling the phone out, probably. Yeah, please. Yeah, I got people. Yeah, send somebody up. And trust me, right down the road here, the firehouse, that's their staging area. They sit there waiting for calls.
Yeah.
So it's a good chance there's a couple sitting right there right now. I mean, 30 seconds later, boom, they're here. You know, so try to say, you know, no problem there.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Want to talk to the guy?
Even there.
Yeah.
I don't feel fucking. Where'd you park?
We Ubered.
Huh?
Ubered.
Oh, well, you're saying go back to the, I saw.
Yeah, because the Uber's not gonna pick us up from the middle of the woods.
Well, it was the other thing, you know, this thing. I mean, people, they ignore the signs. I
They
mean,
dropped us off at the saloon.
and then they started, you know, parking back here. There's signs everywhere, you know, and they're still, and walking up the road like that somehow made it, because they're not up here now, they're parked, but they're still on our property, you know.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the thing, that's why I said, you know, you people kind of ruin it for everybody.
You people.
We were fine with it. Yeah, we were fine with letting people come
Yo, let's talk to the guy. You wanna?
until
Let's talk to the owner.
all the garbage,
Let's find out.
all the other things.
Do you have? Do you know the address of the owner by any chance?
What's that?
Do you know the address of the owner by any chance that we can talk to?
Yeah,
Just one of those houses?
it's just up Creek Road there, but like I said, it's
Knock
probably
on the door.
half
Fuck it,
a
let's
mile.
speak to
Yeah.
Fuck it, it's vlog material.
Yeah, I mean, I feel kind of bad. You got camera and all. And
Yeah.
Because you like nature. We like nature. It's nice, you know?
This thing here, down there, the people, they come in, and they're, like you said, there's posters everywhere, but because they come in and they look, oh wow, look at the creek there. Well, then we have people figure, oh, well, we can fish the creek. You know, if you just wanted to go like swimming, I mean, like I said, the river, but that's, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, you know,
fucking
it's a shame. You know, it's a shame because it was fine. We were okay with it until people started ruining it. You know,
it's all
and
good.
it had to be shut down.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, boys. Sorry about that. Thank you.
Like I said, if you were going up there, he probably would have been calling the cops on you, then you would have had to deal with them.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yo.
You want to talk to the
Yo.
guy? That's some good footage, yo.
Just trying to get him out of the way. Find another way. Yo, now we're fucking in here, so we gotta move. That's what
We're nature boys, bro.
Yo, who's gonna come up, bro? We have to get moving.
He's fine. Shit, bro.
He's still cutting.
He's gonna come cut us, bro. Let's go.
Yo, you wanna know what fucking eternity life taught me? Deny till you fucking die. If we ever get caught, and he said that we spoke to the guy, we never met him a day.
Hell no.
I mean, this is hillbilly town. If they put a gun to our head, I'm sure we couldn't.
They probably had us strapped up on a fucking tree branch.
Before then.
Yo, if it's life or death, bro, I kind of didn't even shit and drop that shit, you know?
You guys are lucky you guys are wearing shoes.
Yeah, bro, why didn't you bring shoes, bro?
I have them in my bag.
No way he saw that.
I gotta take a piss.
We just ran hella far. I don't know if they saw us or not, but if they did, we're going to the Popo. Should be right down there. Devin's pissing over there. But yeah, I think we got through. Did some sneaky stuff. Illegal stuff. And yeah, hopefully they don't call the police on us. And I think I see the house, but this wrong turn type stuff. No connection out here. Can't even call the cops if something happens. But as soon as we found our open road, we hit it when he wasn't looking. So we're just gonna keep walking, find this shit. We're gonna find this.
Yeah. We got like no daylight though.
Fuck it, bro. No daylight better. Like as long as we get there. Like on the way back, I'm saying. Well, coming out, we'll still have daylight.
No connection, bro. I'm trying to go live right now. No fucking connection, bro. We don't even know where the house is.
What's your view on this?
I say we just go for it, bro. Fuck it, YOLO. And if you get shot, fuck it. Yo, so it's the three of us. We might die in the middle of the fucking forest right now, trespassing this shit. We already got stopped. They're to call the cops on. But yo, the adventure continues to this waterfall. Let's get it. I say we can take some fire flicks right here, though. I got no connection. That's the scary part, bro. My phone ain't working, bro.
What's you think of without a shotgun?
Probably. I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah, we might be going the wrong direction.
Hold on.
Yo, what you doing right now, bro?
Beating my pee-pee.
Damn, brother.
Go, don't move, don't move.
Someone's out of their house.
Do not move, bro. He's getting in the car, he's better leave.
Yo, they already said they might kill us. But hopefully we make it out alive. We got lost. And now we gotta walk all the way back to the main road. You think we'll make it? Oh, he's leaving. He's leaving. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck. Beep, 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 beep. Oh no, he stopped. Yo, he's leaving.
This is enough cardio you need.
Yeah, it's a fucking hike, bro.
Look at that beautiful view.
Fucking nature, brother.
Nature, she's a beauty and the bitch.
No longer wearing flip-flops.
No. Yo, if someone comes up to me, bro, I'm sorry, but yo, I'm gonna have to fucking roast them on the stick, bro.
Oh no! Yo, we used to see him from back there. They'd be like, oh god. That's all they knew. Oh god, so this way?
Yo, I grew my virginity back over this break, bro. Quarantine?
Yeah, bro, we gotta go like that way.
I told you it's more up the road.
Yeah. But he knew if we were going that way, we were going forward. That hurt. Yeah, it's kind of fucked. Well, bro, it's definitely that way. Cause look, this is the house, bro. No, that's the house on the side of the road. All right, so it's gotta be that.
We're going
it
over
has
there,
to be
bro.
that house.
You think we got beer? Beer?
They say they got security. Take a look, yeah. Scope it out.
Holy shit. Wow. Yo, what?
See any goons? If this was deep, we'll jump in here. You made it. Damn, bro. You taking a dip in there?
Oh, holy shit. Over there.
How can we not take a picture? Come all this way.
I feel like the
Graffiti. What the guy was talking about.
Fun guy, yo, eat that shit, bro. I see you, dog.
Bro, we taking a dip? You can't run. Huh?
Pretty like shit, fuck it, bro. Why won't you going, bro?
It's not, I don't know what's in there, bro. The Megalodon or some shit. Some alligator,
Yo, some shit keeps grabbing my feet, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. But it's gorgeous.
bro. Yo, what did you feel when you got over there?
Nice, yeah. What's the bubbles? Don't be scared of no bubbles. Bro, ignore the bubbles, just swim. Whoa. Don't worry about it, bro.
What is it? Fuck about, yo, you want me to come?
So we got in there, we took a dip in the fall and everything, and then we saw someone fucking come and he ran away, so we don't know if he's getting the cops or coming to kill us, but we're getting the fuck out of here. 5 out of 5 recommend, hard to find. Bring a compass, do some fuck type shit. Alright, we got to the road.
Alright, quick. Let's get to the road. We fucking made it.
Thank God. Yo, it's slippery as fuck.
Yeah. Yo, maybe that guy was full of shit. Maybe there isn't no security. Maybe he probably says it to everybody to scare them away.
No, he didn't say that there was security. He said sometimes that they even hired security.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm sure they just tell that to people to fucking...
Yeah, fuck him though. Fuck the security even if there was. They're just having fun. Yeah, we got out before daylight.
I just gotta walk like a mile.
Fuck it. Yo, OBX next trip.
Hawaii got some dope ass spots too.
Yeah, that's a plan.
Yeah, I've been wanting to go to Hawaii for the longest fucking time.
Yo, you wanna just fly out there, bro?
Let's just do it.
Yeah, I was looking up trips the other day.
Yo, you can live in the jungle, the woods, or the fucking hut. Get a hut or something.
Oh fuck.
I'm just afraid some island people who know the island, bro, kidnap.
Yeah.
That more some fucking Samoan ass people, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Like the Rock, bro.
The Rock.
Imagine.
Big ass motherfuckers.
Yo, my left
I'm about
shoulder.
to lose my
You
left
hear my
shoulder.
shit? Yo. Hold on. You there?
No?
Oh wait. Did you hear that?
I was fucking in the fall, right? And I fucking slipped on the rock, bro, and swung back, hit that shit. Fucking torn.
Torn?
That's it. I'm out for the
You
season.
out?
Pop!
You hear it?
Oh, yeah,
Every time, bro.
What are you out for?
Yo, ever since I fucking,
Mayweather shit.
ever since I got it repaired, yo, this side does not do anything, bro. It's like a brand new shoulder. Literally.
That's that building we were in before when we just arrived.
Yo, where's the closest like mountain?
Yeah, I'm trying to go hiking. I'm trying to get the
Fuck
results
that.
back on it. They took an MRI of it, but no, it should be cocky. Hold on, you cocky. It's like a grinding.
Yeah. This is the station he was talking about. All of these cops are waiting for us.
Oh, yo, see,
Shit.
I told you it was duck, bro.
That guy like looking at me.